that? That's
How far?
old gas?
I don't know. I didn't see him. I just got shot.
I think it was at the warehouse here.
Yeah, I think there was.
Go to our left.
Roger that.
I just got the pass through. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yep, he's on the other side of this.
Yep, roger that.
He's right inside this iron door.
Whoa!
Did you get this, Gav?
Yeah, I got him.
Pig?
He's got the stormtrooper mask on.
Who just went in
got
left
him.
side?
I got him.
Shotgun?
Who just went in left side?
There might be more than
Kill him?
one.
Someone's dead.
Yep,
Thank you,
I
Taco.
killed that shotgun too.
Who's that? Not?
Run. Tater, run.
I'm dead. He's on the other side. I
man.
fucked him up. He's hurt bad.
Wait, where?
He's right there to your left.
On the other entrance.
He's dead. He killed Frank.
We're actually had like 10 health.
He's fucked.
I killed the things I've killed. I think we're clear. Anyone alive?
I am.
Okay, you got loot to divvy.
I did 379 damage on him. He was fucking destroyed.